How's it going, guys? Welcome back. My name is Anthony. So when someone decides to start selling on eBay, one of the most common pieces of advice that I hear for what to start off selling is just things around the house. And that's always an excellent piece of advice. And with everything going on right now, that advice has probably never rang more true. People are stuck at home for an extended period of time. Many people are wondering where their next paycheck is coming from. And not to mention, spring cleaning is in full bloom right now. So this video is pretty much geared towards people that are stuck at home and looking for ways to try to make ends meet, as well as established resellers that have run out of inventory and they're just looking for a few ideas of what they can sell from around their house. So I've been trying to pay attention over the last couple weeks to the items and categories that people are having luck selling right now. And I've also done my own research as to what is trending right now on eBay. So without further ado, I want to give you 10 categories of common household items that you could sell right now on eBay and make some extra money. Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app. Alright, so like I said, I want to talk about 10 categories of common items that you might find around your house when you're spring cleaning or when you're actually looking for inventory. I'm going to move through them kind of quickly because there's really no reason to beat around the bush. So let's go ahead and get started. Item number 1, DVDs and movies. Now obviously a lot of these things aren't worth a lot of money on the secondhand market, but I do recommend if you have a big collection, make sure you kind of comp them all out, make sure you see which ones do have value by themselves. More what I'm talking about is lots of DVDs. Group them up by genre, group them up by actor, and so on. But it looks like DVDs are selling in lots right now because people are stuck at home and they have plenty of time to watch movies, and selling them as a lot gives people choices. Item number 2, board games and puzzles, new or used. Now if they're used, make sure you inventory everything, and if it's not complete, make sure you list everything correctly. But people are selling a lot of board games and they're selling a lot of puzzles. It's a hot item right now, and most people in their houses have closets full of board games or puzzles that they're not using anymore, so you might as well sell them and make a little money because right now people are buying them. Item number 3, streaming devices like Fire Sticks and things like that. If you think about it, Amazon Prime isn't shipping non-essential items very quickly, and people are still wanting to watch their favorite shows on Netflix or Hulu or Disney Plus or what have you. So if you have a Fire Stick that you're not using, go ahead and throw it on eBay because people might not be able to get one through Amazon and they're going to turn to eBay, so it might as well be yours that they buy. Item number 4, video games, accessories, and consoles. It doesn't matter if they're vintage video games or newer video games, people love passing the time with video games. So if you have consoles, if you have controllers, if you have game discs, if you have game cartridges, if you have gaming headsets, all that kind of stuff people are looking for right now. If you're not using them, or if you just don't really need them right now, go ahead and throw them on eBay because it just might help you pay the bills. Item number 5, tools. It's a perfect time for home renovations, home improvements, honey-do lists, things like that. People are looking to save a little money. They're not looking to go to Lowe's or Home Depot to spend tons of money on tools right now, but they do need them. So they're looking to eBay to save a little money and buy them used. So if you have drills or jigsaws or circular saws or wrenches or anything like that, now's the time to list it. It's springtime, people aren't really leaving their house, but they're looking to get things done. So if you have tools that you're not using, get them listed. Item number 6, crafting and scrapbooking supplies. Even if you have to sell the stuff in lots, people are buying it right now. They're looking to pass the time at home. They're looking to do projects with their kids. They're just looking to not be bored out of their skulls. So if you have crafting and scrapbooking supplies, things like that, make sure you get them listed because they'll probably never sell as well as they're selling right now. Number 7, books. Now just like DVDs, there's going to be a lot that aren't worth a lot on their own, so I do suggest looking up lots again. Group them by author, group them by genre, group them by whatever. If you have a bunch of paperbacks that you've already read, list them on eBay because someone's going to want to read a bunch of paperbacks when they can't go out and play. Audiobooks, the same thing, but now's the time to get them listed and get them sold before people are able to go out and have a good time again. Category number 8. Kids' toys. Most people aren't and shouldn't be running out to the store to get their kids new toys. It's just not the time for that. So if you're doing a little spring cleaning anyway and cleaning out your kid's bedroom, go ahead and sanitize some of those toys and list them on eBay. People just might buy them right now just to keep their kids occupied and happy and feeling a little bit normal. Item number 9, sporting goods and workout equipment. Gyms are closed, people are eating too much and they're getting worried and they're buying workout equipment because they're trying to stay in shape even though they can't really do anything. Now obviously a lot of this stuff is super heavy, so you might not want to ship it, but there are plenty of things like medicine balls, the elastic training bands, stuff like that. If you have workout equipment, go ahead and comp it out because you just might be surprised right now. Even training and fitness DVDs. However, do watch out for Beachbody stuff. But if you have any workout or training equipment that you're not using, now's the time to get it listed. And number 10, the last category that I want to talk about is your broken stuff. stuff. It seems like there's been a surge of people buying things listed under parts and repair because they're looking for a good deal and they have time to tinker with it. They're projects for people, like little broken electronics, little broken video game systems, things like that. Just make sure that you list them under the proper category, make sure they're listed under parts and repair, make sure you list what's wrong with them. But now's the time to get rid of your broken stuff because people have time to tinker around with broken crap. Alright guys, so that's just 10 quick ideas for you of things that you can commonly find around your house and make a little extra money on eBay right now. If you have any more ideas, definitely leave them in the comments below because people read those, and anything that we can do to help each other, I think is a win. Alright guys, that is what I got for you this time. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up, and like I said, leaving your comments down below. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. But I want to thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.